Welcome back to the BakeDeco channel. Today's video is a continuation of our fruit cake pop series, and today we're going to be showing you step by step how you can make a kiwi cake pop. We're starting off with Calibo white chocolate, which has been colored with Color Mill's kiwi oil based color, and you want to submerge your cake pop. Just make sure that your cake pop is fully covered in the chocolate, and we have those two products linked for you in the description. Now that the chocolate has dried and the surface of our cake pop is fully solid, we're going to go ahead and start creating some texture. We're using our edible cake paint by Sweet Sticks in the color green. Next, we're going to move on to the center of our kiwi, and we're going to use the color white to make it really stand out. Now we're going to go back in with our brush and create a yellow border around the white center. And now with the same yellow paint and the same brush, we're going to create some strokes around the kiwi, and this is going to give our kiwi a little bit of dimension. And now we're going to do the same with a little touch of dark green. And now with some edible brown paint, we're going to take a thinner brush and create hair-like strokes around the kiwi, and this is going to give it a 3D effect. Lastly, we're going to create our kiwi seeds, and we're going to do this by painting little black dots around the core of the kiwi. And for the finishing touch, we are going to paint our kiwi skin by using the colors green and brown from our edible cake paint collection. And here is the final look. Let us know what you think in the comments below.